Hi guys, so welcome back to Wrector. So English video. So from where I stopped. So the video was on singular. So this was the the analysis provided. We had several cases over here. This was the initial thing. We did the long one and then the long two right now, right? So as soon as I where is it? As soon as I woke up, I had a 300% profit. I closed it immediately. So right now we are in a short of SNX and TRB. So that's what's happening right now. Uh, Well, how did I get into the signals? Well, you see, just I'm just catching the market, right? This sort of it. I mean, you could easily print at least 20% profits, but then after that, if you want to risk or not, is up to you. But then you will definitely have to DCA because this size of wick on the 1 hour chart is definitely FOMO in because you do have the wedge breakout. I've been missing the wedges because this happens during my bedtime. Well, it is what it is. At least we could go in with some shots. So we have the scam waves. We have art. We have FLM going heading up as well. So I'm just gonna remove the old drawings. Fuck that. Uh, we have had C98. Okay, so we have a link coming up as well. So let's quickly get into what BTC is doing. So okay, mm, so I could have shorted as well, but then I did not get into it. I don't want to because I'm in two positions already because it's quite risky to have it going on here with fear of missing out markets. So it is what it is. Let's see how TRB plays out. We might have to average this sometimes, but then you have to risk to gain with some what do you call? What's the right word here? With some faith, is that the right word? Okay, so let's see how this plays out. Okay, so I had to this EMI shit again. So at a time we were at a minus. I don't know. I think after we let it, we went up to a minus 60%, and then now we are on the spot. I don't have any current stop loss on TRB because it's just highly volatile. So let's see how it plays out. All right, guys. So we are back to entry. I just had to reduce the margin, as I said at the beginning of this trade. This is a DCA mania, so we'll have to do it that way. So let's see how this trade plays out. So basically I did enter on my other account as well. So there you go, that TRB is on 11% profits. So let's see how this plays out. Okay guys, so we are near back to entry after having a close to 80% loss. So it's time for me to go to mosque, so I'll be pausing the video somewhere around here. No, maybe I might go in a few minutes. So let's see how this plays out when I get back. Okay guys, for now we are running in some sorts of profits finally. As I said, I won't be going down without DCing this shit. So right now I'm looking at ENS, but I need to go away for a hour. So let's quickly draw some resistant trend lines on the 4 hour chart. So we don't see any proper trend lines this way. So let's see if we could match this one over here. So if you look at this way, there is some sort of there is 1 hour to close this candle. So where else are we at a, yeah, so we are at a resistance level as well over here. So now let's look into our indicators. You do see on the 15-minute chart everything is overbought, so I think this is a good shot. So why not? Let's enter. Let's enter ENS with $50 margin. I will see how this plays out when I get back. Okay, guys, so TRB is back in loss. I entered a flow. Uh, we have SNX somewhere swinging up and down. So I only opened a $50 position. So I'm gonna book half of the profits here since our stop loss is at entry. Let's see how remaining positions play out. Okay, so ENS printed a 50%, TRB it printed and then it's on loss. And then flow is back in profits again. I don't know what's happening with this market. I wanted to get into hot, but I wasn't sure because I had four positions running which are not in major profits. I mean, ENS just got back down, but then it's going back up again. Uh, yeah, so I guess we'll just have to wait. Okay, so we are sort of green on flow as well. I think flow dropped a little bit more than this. Yeah, so we are 30% in. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so now we are 50% on flow as well. Sheesh. Okay, so we have 90% on flow. ENS has been going up. SNX is okay. So I guess let's go. I mean, let's leave it that way. Here we're still running. Okay, guys. So welcome back to Wrector. Uh, I had to do everything through my phone because I had to be out last night. But then, when was it? The positions that we had. I have everything closed right now. We had 100 and let's see what was the maximum. TRB was over 100%, XN was over 100%, and then we had flow over 100%. So that was like I don't know what 12 hours ago. It's been so long since I've closed. So let's see if I had held them, would they have been profitable? God knows. Let's see. Uh, well, TRB is on the dump for a waste. Don't have it anymore. Hmm. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We made some money. That's good. Okay. I don't know if I'll trade today because I'm so just having a massive headache. We just have a good night last night. Okay. Let's see.